Now that you have Ayara's luxury peel and stick wallpaper in hand, we'll guide you through 6 simple steps to install it. Grab some tools and a set of extra hands and let's get started. Step 1. Clean your walls and make sure they're smooth. Step 2. Select your starting point. And Step 3. Draw a straight level line. Now it's time for that extra set of hands. Step 4. Install your first panel. Remove the paper backing from the top of your panel, then line it up with the line you just drew and leave an extra 2 inches above the ceiling line for trimming. Use your application tool to firmly push your panel onto the wall. Step 5. Install your second panel by overlapping. Line up the pattern at the seam and secure to the wall as before. Continue this process for each panel. Step 6. Trim your edges. Use a craft knife and your application tool to trim around the ceiling line, baseboards, or any other edges as needed. Make sure to safely trim around electrical outlets by disabling the power beforehand. If needed, use your application tool to push out any trapped air and secure the wallpaper more firmly. Congratulations on your newly transformed space. We hope you'll love it for years to come.